If your home is feeling messy, cluttered, and just out of control, you're not alone. I'm actually a professional organizer, but if you took a look at my house right now, it's a little bit of a wreck. See, when I had one kiddo, my house was good to go. Everything had a place and was in place. But then life happened and I ended up having a miscarriage while my husband was out to sea on a ship. I had an ectopic pregnancy that ended up in emergency surgery. And I also had a miscarriage that ended up in a DNC. So it became a lot on my body and on my mind. And you learn as a professional organizer that clutter can come from life changes, anxiety, stress, and I was going through a lot, okay? But thank God, because now I have 3 beautiful girls. And y'all know, with kiddos comes a lot of stuff. There's endless laundry, toys, dishes, just a lot of stuff. So now I'm starting over. I want to love my house again. And I don't want to spend hours, nor do I have hours to do that. And maybe you're in the same boat. You don't even know where to begin. I got you, boo. We're gonna start fresh. We're gonna take it one space at a time. Because clutter isn't just what you see on the floor. It's the messes that are stealing your time. It's your peace of mind, your joy, the love that you have for your home, and your sanity. And when we take back our homes, we take back control of our lives. So on this channel, I'm taking you along for the ride. Good, bad, and dirty. No. I am taking you on my home transformation journey. I want to go from the messy house and somewhat of a routine to something that's organized, kept clean, and that I love. I want to be able to find things again and not have to search and destroy my house looking for it. But I don't want to take hours to do it because honestly, ain't nobody got time for that. I'll show you how to declutter without getting stressed, even when you have littles at home. We're gonna learn how to speed clean and setting up cleaning routines that actually work for real parents like us. Because we wear a lot of hats and honestly, we have these little microminutes, and we're going to organize so our home is pretty and functional. But disclaimer, we're not about perfection. This is real, this is raw, this is practical to make your life simple because we're right in the thick of parenthood. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. With just 10 minutes a day, we are going to take back our homes together. So if you're tired of this and you ready for this, but don't know where to start, join me for my 21-day declutter challenge. Details are below. Hit the subscribe button so you do not miss a thing and get ready to love your house again.